Following rate hikes and tighter financial regulations, Taiwan's housing transactions for H1 has decreased 2.2% year-on-year.
Realtors say housing prices may fall by around 10% next year. Buyers for private use are advised to hold out for the dip.
Taiwan's housing market transactions are set to contract in the third quarter. A realtor said that as the government clamps down on real estate speculation, investors are gradually exiting the market.
Transactions in the second half of the year can simply be summed up as gone are the good old days. Prices will no longer break records. Transaction volume will no longer go up.
Housing transactions have slowed amid the central bank's rate hikes and financial authorities' lowering of banks' loan-to-value ratios. In June, transactions in Taiwan's 6 special municipalities fell by 15% year-on-year. Compared to the previous month, transactions in Taipei fell by more than 20%. Yet comparing H1 transactions between 2021 and 2022, the downward trend holds at a 2.2% decrease. Billy Yen said this is not a year for buyers.
We cannot say for sure that housing prices will go up in the second half of the year. The opportunity is gone for sure. It's really quite straightforward. Housing prices can only stabilize. Ask for a high price and wait for buyers, trade a bit lower. But if you want to sell higher than the price you bought for, the chance is basically zero in the second half of the year. Best case scenario, you sell 5 to 10% less than what you originally paid.
At present, around 310,000 properties have changed hands since the beginning of the year, only 30,000 less than the total number of transactions last year. If transactions remain around the same by the end of the year, Yen estimates housing prices may fall by around 10% next year. He suggested those looking for personal use properties to be patient.